Hello there, my friends. Thanks for joining me. This is my second unboxing video, and this time I'm bringing you a very special product which arrived just today. First of all, Merry Christmas to all of you. I hope you guys are fine. I also hope you are enjoying the background music. I don't know if you can hear it, it's the Depeche Mode. And so let's move on to showing you the unboxing of the Venus Laowa 12mm lens, which is a ultra-wide angle lens for full-frame cameras with a very interesting maximum aperture of f2.8 and zero distortion. I've already seen some early online reviews, and it has very interesting and very low distortion values, making it very interesting for architecture photography. Well, since I'm a landscape photographer, you might be wondering, why did I purchase it when there are many interesting alternatives on the market. And I must confess that the main reason why I bought it was because it's compatible with the filters that I use, which are the smaller 100mm neutral density filters. As you might know, most ultra-wide angle lenses need larger 150mm filters. And I've always resisted using them. I think they are too big, they are cumbersome to use on the field, difficult to clean, and so I so far had to stick with less wide lenses, like 16mm lenses, to be able to keep on using my 100mm filters. Fortunately, Venus Laowa has heard my prayers, and they've launched a really ultra-wide angle lens which is compatible with smaller filters. How did they make this possible? Well, they are creating a special filter holder for this lens. It is still in prototype phase. They said to me that they were going to launch the final version soon, and fortunately they will send me one of their prototypes as soon as possible, so that I can start using this lens on the field. This is a very new product. So far it's not yet fully available on online shops. I got it through their Kickstarter project, which was tremendously successful. As you can see, this is the external case of the lens. It has a very interesting external packaging, and when you open it, here it is, the Venus Laowa 12mm. And as soon as I grab it, the thing that is most noticeable is the fact that this is quite heavy. In a good sense, the lens seems to be very solidly built. This is actually physically a longer lens than some versions of it, because this is the Sony E-mount version. I'm using a Sony full-frame camera, the A7R, so it needs this extra adapter, making the lens a little bit heavier and longer. If you order a Canon version, for example, it will be a shorter version. As you can see, this is the E-mount. This is a fully manual lens. You have the focus ring right here. It has got a very nice dampened feeling, and then the manual aperture ring selector with the maximum f2.8 aperture. It has a front lens cap which is detachable to protect the front lens element, and then an interesting design which involves using two petal hoods. A larger metal one, which is removable, as you can see, and then a smaller petal hood, which is not removable, and this is where the special filter holder from Venus will be mounted to allow the use of the 100mm filters right next to the front lens element. Well, like I said, I can wait to receive the prototype holder so that I can start shooting some landscapes, some long exposure landscapes with this lens, and I'll let you know about its performance as soon as I can. Thanks for joining me once again, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.